Do you want to do forex trading? Do you really want to learn forex? Want to make money through forex trading? If the answer is yes, then you must check if you have these qualities. First of all, patience. Second one is ability to perseverance. Third one is the ability to think. Fourth, the mindset and ability to work hard. Fifth one is ability to sacrifice. Sixth one is ability to handle your greediness. 7. Ability to make the right decision at the right time on any subject. 8. Ability to accept your own loss. And the last one is a mindset to help others. Now let's discuss this issue in details. So hello viewers, I am an official member of FOREX BD. I hope you all are well. So first of all, you have to learn forex with minimum of 6 or 7 months with patience to start real trading. Maybe in 2 or 3 months you will think, wow, I can do it. So let's start real trading. But we will suggest you no, because first of all I said to you to learn patiently for 6 or 7 months. You will do proper practice and perseverance in 6 or 7 months, then you will become a good trader. But this is not exactly true. It can be take minimum of 2 or 3 years to become a expert trader. But in 6 or 7 months you will get the ability to earn some profit. That means you will be qualified. A lot of reasoning, analytical thinking has to be traded with thought. And you have to analyze the market from the different angle, and then you have to do trade. And in this, you will first practice in your demo account for a long time. After the demo is 100% successful, if you make profit in demo, then again do demo for a few more days. Then you can come to real trading. A lot of time opportunity can come in your eyes. But this is not always real. In that case, you need to have the ability to handle your greediness. Many thinking may come on your mind. You have to be patient. Sometimes you can face loss, but you have to learn from loss. You should have the ability to accept that loss mentally and financially. By helping others, you can learn forex. But how? To teach others, you have to have proper knowledge. Because when you teach others, they can make questions to you. So you have to answer them. For this, if you don't know any answer, then you will search on Google or you can ask anywhere else. By this, you can learn things that you don't know. And by sharing knowledge, skill can increase. That way, you look at a topic, the other person may look at it differently. In this way, many things can be learned in a new way through mutual discussion. And by helping others, you will get many blessings, which will later become helpful. You must have the ability to work hard. If you learn by work hard, then that work definitely help you. If you want to get down to real trading without learning how to trade well, I would urge you to donate the money to a poor person or charity without wasting it. Because if you do real trading without knowing forex properly, then you will face loss definitely. So first of all, you have to know the forex properly. In the case of forex trading, you should not look at anything else, because it takes a lot of time to learn forex. If you spend your time on other things, you can spend more time on learning forex. This can be obstacle in your forex learning. That means you have to need more time. For example, many people spend time with different sites, including PTC site. In our opinion, all these sites should not be given time. There have mainly two reasons for this. The first is that it will waste your time and you will not be able to give the time that you could have given in forex. So in the end, you need more time to learn forex, and you will not be able to concentrate on forex properly because you have other thing in mind, and because by this type of site you can't earn for a lifetime, because this site is always not real. And if you work on other freelancing site, that's fine, because there have good opportunity. But if you work with 2 or 3 sites together, can everything be done properly? People usually don't do many things at once. So you have to do one thing well. Think about which one will do first, or which one is right for you. We have mentioned a few things above. So first, think about whether those qualities are in you, because forex is not a place or job that you want to come and then leave. If you want to come to forex for a few days, then it's better not to come. Then you have to have patience. You have to have the mindset to hard work. You have to have the mindset to take risk. You have to have the willpower to use a lot of time and gains. It seems that we agree to do different courses by spending money, but we don't want to spend a single money in forex. I think this is a big obstacle, because if the beginners get a lot of important video or information for free, they don't use it properly, and they have no mindset to learn by spending money. Then how you learn Forex? You have to do something. If you don't have anything, or if you don't have the ability to spend money to learn Forex, then you have to look at the thing that you get for free. You have to pay attention to the thing that you are getting for free. For example, all your favorite Forex channel, FOREX BD, have published many videos about Forex. There have many types of video like analysis, tips and tricks, market killing strategy, broker related video, everything we have uploaded. So if you look at it patiently, I can say surely you can learn Forex properly. But if you are not interested in this, you have to do course by pay money. We are giving this for free. If you want, you must watch it carefully. Here are the playlist format. There are many types of video for expert trader, and also there have video for mobile trading, because everyone's not have laptop. So you can learn by watching this video, because we have uploaded all types of video related to Forex. And if you are not interested in free thing, and if you can afford for a course, you can also do this. FOREX BD has recently started a course with a maximum of 20 people. If you are interested, and if you have the ability, and if you can trust us, you can contact us. We can only show you the way, but you have to make that decision that you will understand better, because life is you have to decide for yourself. So viewers, this is our video. Hopefully you can understand our today's video, and hopefully from this you can learn Forex trading properly. If you watch this video carefully, I hope you can know the meaning of this video. So hopefully you can understand. So viewers, before finishing the video, a humble request to you: if you like this video, please give us a like and share it with your friend, because it motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, Tata.